Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the MEATER app is and how it's positioned. According to the official App Store and Google Play descriptions, the MEATER app is a companion platform designed to connect with the MEATER smart wireless meat thermometer devices. The official listing explains that the app works together with a hardware probe to monitor internal meat temperature and ambient cooking temperature during grilling, roasting, or smoking. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official product documentation from MEATER and Action Labs, the platform belongs to the smart cooking and food thermometer category. The official description states that users can monitor internal food temperature in real time while cooking through the connected thermometer probe. Another documented feature is ambient temperature monitoring, which tracks the surrounding heat level inside an oven, grill, or smoker. According to the official information, the app includes a guided cook system that walks users through cooking steps based on the selected meat type, cut, and desired doneness level. The platform also provides estimated cook time calculations that adjust dynamically as temperature readings change during the cooking process. Another documented capability is setting custom alerts that notify users when specific cooking milestones or final temperatures are reached. Official documentation also notes that the app can track multiple probes at once when using compatible MEATER multi-probe devices. The app may also provide temperature graphs and cooking history that allow users to review previous cooks and analyze results. According to official information, the platform can integrate with the MEATER cloud system so temperature data can be monitored remotely through the internet when connected to supported devices. For users interested in tracking cooking temperatures and receiving guided cooking instructions through a smart thermometer system, this could be an option. This app may be useful for people who own compatible MEATER smart thermometers and want remote monitoring and cooking guidance from their phone. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.